Now next question is, let f is from open interval -1 to 1 to b be a function defined by fx equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Then function is both on1 and on2 when b is the interval open interval 0 to pi by 2 or close 0 open pi by 2. So these four options are given. It means इसमें हमें सेट B फाइंड करना है. Domain is -1 to 1. This is fx. So here fx is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. And given that x is in -1 to 1, x belongs to -1 to 1, this condition is given. Now we know that this is equal to 2 times tan inverse x. Its a simple form is 2 times tan inverse x. Now see, condition is x is in this interval, x is between -1 to 1. It means tan inverse -1 is less than tan inverse x is less than tan inverse 1. Tan inverse is increasing function. So applying increasing function, this sign of inequality remains unchanged. Now this is minus pi by 4. It is tan inverse x. This is pi by 4. Now it is 2 times tan inverse x. So I multiply by 2. Multiplying by 2. This is 2 times tan inverse x pi by 2. And this is fx. So fx is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Images lie in this interval. So that means range of this function is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But say function is onto. If function is onto, range is equal to codomain. So therefore codomain will be same. B is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 because function is onto. Therefore range equal to codomain. So here D is correct answer. Answer is D. So here question is on composite function. Fx is ax upon x plus 1 and x is not equal to -1. So this will be defined. Now question is, for which value of a f of fx is x. Say here, given that f of fx is x, f of fx, that means, say here I am replacing by x by fx. Say this is fx, f of fx. Now in this formula I am replacing by x by fx. तो ये क्या होगा, f of fx equal to a into fx upon fx plus 1. This is equal to x. Then now I keep here value of fx. So value of fx, so original value, a into ax upon x plus 1 upon ax upon x plus 1 plus 1 equal to x. Therefore now this will be a square x upon ax plus, multiplying this number here, x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1 equal to x. That means a square x is, now multiplying this number here, so ax into x is ax square plus x into x is x square plus 1 into x is x. That means a square x equal to, here x square common, so x square into a plus 1 plus x. Now see, here we are comparing coefficients. See, if you compare coefficients on both the sides, then here there is a term with x square. So on left side there is no x square. The coefficient of x square on RHS equal to coefficient of x square on LHS. तो so before comparing हम इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं कि 0 into x square plus a square into x equal to a plus 1 into x square plus x. X means 1 into x. Now comparing coefficients. Comparing coefficients, on left hand side coefficient of x square is 0, on right hand side coefficient of x square is a plus 1, and left hand side coefficient of x is a square, on the right hand side coefficient of x is 1. So that means a is equal to minus 1, and say here this word is important, and to be this statement correct ये दोनों ट्रू होना चाहिए. So and word is important. So a is minus 1 and a is, if a square is 1 then a is plus minus 1. Now and means common. So what is common? Common in this 2, and that means intersection. So intersection, that is common. So common value is minus 1. So here answer is D. So it was MCQ on composite function. Now here, this is f from R to R, fx equal to x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now see, we want to check, is it 1 1, is it on 2? So look this formula, this is cubic polynomial, it is cubic polynomial and given in factorized form. So by observation it is clear, if I keep here 2, f of 2, if you put 2 then 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. And if I keep, sorry, here I have done mistake, x minus 3, here x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 4. If we keep x equal to 3, put here 3, then 3 minus 3 is 0. So again this will be 0. If you put 4, then again this value will be 0. So see what is happening. Okay, image of 2 is 0, image of 3 is also 0, image of 4 is also 0. So this function is many 1. So means it is not 1 1. Function is not 1 1. Now we discuss about ontoness. Now look here, this is cubic polynomial. Now remember, if any function is in polynomial form, say here degree is 3, degree of polynomial is 3. If degree is odd, any function is in polynomial form, polynomial function, and if it has odd degree, and if function is defined from R to R, then remember it is always onto function. So that note I am putting here inside. F from R to R, these are must. R to R, this is true only for R to R. Domain is R, codomain is R. Both must be set of real numbers. And fx is, it is a polynomial having degree, having odd degree. This is polynomial in x having odd degree. Then this is always onto function. Any polynomial function having odd degree is always onto. So because this is odd, so this function is onto function. So function is not 1 1 but onto. It is not 1 1 but onto. So answer is C. So here a function is two functions f and g, दोनों का डोमेन R to R है. fx is x square plus 3 and f of gx is 3 plus x square minus 2x cube plus x raised to 4. Then g of 5. Find value of g of 5. So here f of x is x square plus 3, this is given, and we are given composition of f and g. This is f of gx. So what I do, I replace this x by gx. So this will be f of gx. F of gx is gx. So whatever I put here, same value I am putting here. So g of x whole square plus 3. F of gx is g of x whole square plus 3. Then now f of gx, this is f of gx. This value I am replacing on putting on left hand side. So this is equal to 3 plus x square minus 2x cube plus x raised to 4 equal to gx whole square plus 3. So we are going to get value of gx. So g of x whole square equal to, so this is x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus x square, and this 3 will be cancelled. So therefore g of x whole square equal to, this is x square minus x whole square. This is perfect square polynomial. So we can say gx, this can be x square minus x. Now we want g of 5. So putting here 5. So 5 square minus 5. So this is 25 minus 5 is 20. So this is value, required value 20. So answer is B. Now in this question, f and g are two functions. gx is 3 plus cube root of x, and f of gx is 2 minus cube root of x plus x. We want f of x. We want outer function. So in this composition we want outer function fx, and gx is given. So in this question composition was given and we found inner function gx. It was inner function. Here we found inner function if outer function is given, and in this question, see, inner function is given, we want outer function. So what is the procedure to find outer function? We take inner function equal to t. Suppose that gx equal to t. Take gx equal to t. This is t that we want to find. Gx that is a given. We want outer function. So gx is t. That means 3 plus cube root of x is t. Now from this expression we are going to find value of x. So cube root of x is t minus 3. So x is t minus 3 whole cube. Now this value of x we will put on right hand side of this composite function. So we are putting values in f of gx equal to 2 minus cube root of x plus x. Values in t, we are going to put values in t, in terms of t. So see, gx, that was t, gx equal to t. When gx is t, at that time x is t minus 3 whole cube. So 2 minus cube root of t minus 3 whole cube plus t minus 3 whole cube. So simplifying this, 2 minus, this will be t minus 3 plus a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, 3 into a into b into a minus b, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. That is 2 minus t plus 3 plus t cube minus 27 minus 3 into 3 90, 90 into t minus 9t square plus 90 into 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27t. So this is t cube minus 9t square minus t plus 27t, that is 26t. Then 3 plus 2 5 minus 27 plus 5 is minus 22. So this is f of t. Now I am replacing t by x, replacing t by x means just we are changing symbol. So f of x is x cube minus 9x square plus 27x minus 22. So that is option A. So answer is A. So in this question, function is defined on a set of natural number to set of integers. Fn is n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd, minus n by 2 when n is even. Then is it 1 1, is it on 2, that we have to check. See, जब भी डोमेन सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स है, यहाँ पर कोई भी फंक्शन में डोमेन में सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स है, तो बेस्ट वे इज कि पुट इनपुट्स 1 by 1, मीन्स पहले 1 रखो, फिर 2 रखो, 3 रखो. तो से इन दिस फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट आई विल पुट 1, 1 is odd. So image of 1 is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 0. Then I will put 2. 2 is even. So f of 2 is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. F of 3. 3 is odd. So 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 1. F of 4. 4 is even. So minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. F of 5. 5 is odd. 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 is 2. F of 6. 6 by 2, that is 3. If we continue by this way, f of 7, so this will be 3. F of 8 minus 4. F of 9, 4. F of 10 minus 5. We can continue this. See, domain is n. From n, we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All natural numbers are input. And here these are outputs. Now observe all outputs. So here all outputs are positive integers, including 0. 0 and positive integers. No repetition can be seen. कहीं पर भी इमेज रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पर भी रिपीटेशन नहीं है. So no repetition. No anywhere there is repetition. कोई भी इमेज फिर से रिपीट नहीं होता है. So this function is 1 1. So no repetition of image. So function is 1 1. And what is range? Range contains all integers, all negative, all positive as well as 0. So range of this function is set of all integers, that is z, and z is codomain. It is codomain. So this function is also onto function. So it is 1 1 and onto both. So here answer is A. So whenever domain is n, any function having a domain n or a set of integers, then in a case of MCQ, this is the best way to check one-oneness and onto-ness. Now here, in this question, function is from R to R. Fx is minus 1 if x is less than 0. Fx is 0 if x is 0. Fx is 1 if x is more than 0. And function g is from R to R, gx is 1 plus x minus box x. This is greatest integer function. Then we are asked to find f of gx. Now see, in this function, this part is very important. X minus box x. See, suppose to understand that part x minus box x, here I am putting 2, here I am putting 3. This is number line. If I keep, I am finding value of x minus box x. Suppose I put x equal to 2.5. 2.5 is somewhere here. So putting x equal to 2.5, 2.5 minus box value of 2.5. So 2.5 minus, now box value of 2.5 is 2. So this is 0.5. If I take any two integers, suppose here I am taking minus 5, here I am taking minus 4. Minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. If I take x equal to, suppose I am taking minus 4.8. Now minus 4.8 I am putting here. So minus 4.8 minus box value of minus 4.x8 x minus box value of x. So minus 4.8 minus. Now minus 4.8 is somewhere here. Its box value. It is left side first integer. So minus 5. So minus 5. So this is 0.2. If suppose I take x equal to 6, any integer, taking integer, putting here integer 6 minus box value of 6. So that is 6 minus box value of 6 is itself. So that is 0. If you select any x belonging to R, for any x belonging to R, and if this number is selected x somewhere here, if this number is x, if this number is x, then its box value will be somewhere here. This is integer. If x is between n and n plus 1, then this will be box value of x. So x is always greater than box value. So their difference will be equal to, this length will be its difference, x minus box x. So it will be always less than 1. X minus box x, this is always less than 1. You can see 0.5 is less than 1, 0.2 is less than 1. It can be 0, it can be equal to 0. So this is property of this function. X minus box x, its value is always between 0 and 1. Keep remember, for any x belonging to R, x minus box x is value, positive value, but less than 1, more than 0. It can be 0. Now look here, f of gx, f of gx. Now I am putting here gx, f of gx, that is, see, check this gx, x minus box x, just here discussed, x minus box x, it is between 0 and 1. Now I am adding 1. So adding 1 here, 1 less than or equal to 1 plus x minus box x, it is between 1 and 2. So it means this is positive, that is 1 plus x minus box x, this is more than 1, so it is positive. So value of gx is always positive. Gx is always positive. Now see, we want f of gx, so f of gx, f of gx, f of gx is 1 if gx is positive, so f of gx is 1. Put here gx, so f of gx is 1 if gx is positive, and here it is proved gx is positive, so f of gx is 1. f and g are functions from R to R. fx is x square and gx is 2 raised to x. Then we want set of those numbers satisfying this condition. We want set of numbers satisfying this condition, means those numbers for which fog of x equal to gof of x. It is equivalent to say f of gx equal to g of fx. It is equivalent to say f of gx. If you put here gx, then f of gx is gx square. So gx square. G of fx. G of fx, put here fx. G of fx is 2 raised to fx. 2 raised to fx. So this was values of inner function f of gx. So gx was inner function. So inner function we have kept in f. Similarly here we have kept g, here we have kept f. Now value of gx is 2 raised to x and fx is x square. So that is 2 raised to 2x. Here inner and outer power will be multiplied. 2 raised to x square. Now comparing indices, x square is 2x. So x square minus 2x is 0. X common, x minus 2 is 0. So values of x are 0 and 2. So that is required set is 0, 2. Set of numbers containing these two numbers. So answer is D. One more question on composition of 3 functions. This is composition of 3 functions. F given, G given and H given. So here HO, GOF of root pi by 4. We want to find this value. So this means, see here first f will go to work on root pi by 4. So it is f of root pi by 4. Then over f g will go, over g h will go, one by one. See first f will go, then g will go, then h will go. Now we start from inner side. Calculating inner function, f of root pi by 4. Say here root pi by 4 is root pi by 4 square. So that is root pi by 4 square. So this is value of f of root pi by 4. So that is h of g of pi by 4. Now I am putting value of g pi by 4. So g of pi by 4 is 10 pi by 4. So g of pi by 4 is 10 pi by 4. And 10 pi by 4 is 1. And then h of 1 is log 1. H of 1 is log 1 and log 1 is 0. So answer is option A. So here fx is given 2 raised to 10 into x plus 1 and gx is 3 raised to 10 into x minus 1. And fog of x is x. What is value of x? That is the question. Options are given. So here fog of x is x. That means f of gx equal to x. So gx is inner function for f. So now I am putting here gx. This gx I am putting here. So f of gx is 2 raised to 10 into gx. Whatever you put here, same number you should put here. So f of gx is 2 raised to 10 into gx plus 1 equal to x. F of x is 2 raised to 10 into x plus 1. Now I am putting value of gx. So putting here gx is 3 raised to 10 into x minus 1 plus 1 is x. Now simplifying this, 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10, I keep here 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 into x minus 2 raised to 10 plus 1 equal to x. X I am taking on this side. So minus x equal to this plus 1 I am taking on that side, or just keep as it is. That we will do in next step. Then see, from these numbers I am taking x common. So 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 minus 1 into x equal to these numbers I am taking on this side. So 2 raised to 10 minus 1. So x is 2 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 minus 1. Now to get answer in this form, say we have any one form from these 4 options. So say here 2 raised to 10 minus 1 is visible, but here we don't need this value. So what we do here, numerator and denominator we divide by, either we divide by 2 raised to 10 or we divide by 3 raised to 10. We require value in given form. If we divide by 2 raised to 10, then here 2 raised to 10, 1 minus 2 raised to minus 10, that will appear. 1 minus 2 raised to minus 10, and this will be removed. So this will be the answer. So say we are dividing by 2 raised to 10. So 1 minus 2 raised to minus 10 upon 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to minus 10. So this is option D.